hazardous substance is a substance that has the potential to harm the health or safety of people in our workplace. Hazardous substances come in different forms, such as solids, for example, metals, plastics or granules. Dusts, for example, wood, coal, metals or fibres. Liquids, for example, acids, alkalis or solvents. Gases, some have an odour or a colour which makes them easy to detect. Others have none. And vapours. These are the gases from substances normally in the solid or liquid state. For example, steam, aerosols, or very fine liquid or solid particles dispersed in the air. The product may be pure or diluted. There is clear evidence that exposure to chemicals at work may affect your health. Chemicals can enter your body in three major ways: inhalation through your nose and or mouth, absorption through the skin, and ingestion through the mouth. Once in your body, the effects can be acute. Sometimes the effect will be fairly immediate, other times the effect may be delayed, often months or even years. It is therefore important that you know what the risks are when you use or are exposed to chemicals. In a nutshell, all chemicals should be considered potentially dangerous and treated with great caution. All chemicals and hazardous substances on site and brought on site must be clearly labelled and have a Material Safety Data Sheet or MSDS. The MSDS will provide you with important information on handling the product safely, as well as potential health effects, precautions for use, how to store the product safely, emergency first aid instructions, contact numbers should you require further information. Before working with any hazardous product, you should think about whether you can perform the task without using the hazardous substance. If this is not possible, consider whether the hazardous substances can be substituted with a less toxic alternative. If you have to work with any hazardous product, always obtain approval for the chemical with your supervisor or site contact prior to using it. Ensure the work area is properly ventilated. Read the label. Obtain and study the Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. Know the locations of the emergency eye wash and shower stations prior to using the chemicals.